Hello YouTube. So quite excited today. Christmas has come early and the postman, not Santa Claus unfortunately, has dropped this off. So Garmin fenix6 Pro Solar. Wow. Right, so this is the packaging. Thought I'd do a little unboxing. This particular one is the titanium. A bit of packaging there. Take this out, have a look at it. Quite shiny. It's actually greyer than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be more black. Obviously titanium is quite a grey metal. But yeah, looking quite good. Unbelievably light. Weighs absolutely nothing. So that's cool. You can see there. Wait for the autofocus, move it into the centre of the screen there. Quite thick, not thin, but not too bad. I've got a Forerunner at the moment. Well, I think this is a 235, something like that, with a really cheap Amazon metal strap, which has seen better days. Quite a few scratches on this, and it started to leak, hence the replacement. So similar sort of thickness, I think. Oops, similar sort of thickness. I can't really see that, can you? How about that? So yeah, great. Let's continue with the unboxing. I have actually already unboxed this. All of these leaflets were inside, so that's the box out of the way. We've got a small package there with the guarantees and the instructions in. Then we have this little fold out with a charger, again not standard, Garmin's own little weird fit in there, which is nice. And a rubber strap, so that's cool. Didn't know it came with a rubber strap. Just take this out of here. Take some of the plastic off. Yeah, it feels quite slick actually. Nice unit. Let's just swing it on for you. I'm not a particularly small guy, but I can instantly see that this is going to be quite a long, quite wide for my wrist. So let's just fold this over to the clasp. I have to take a bit of getting used to. There you go. So quite a bit of room for growth there, which isn't the object of the exercise. Yeah, impressed. Like the look of it. It's quite stealthy. Like the red buttons. It's 2 red buttons. Presume that's the mode, and then there's normally a start button on there. In fact, I might have that on upside down. Yes, I have. But yeah, it looks like a nice unit. Underneath there, you've got the various sensors. So you got the heart rate sensor. There's the charging point. Also, you think you've got these little clasps here. This little mechanism to make it easier for you to swap out the focus. Makes it easier to swap out the straps. So whether or not you want to wear it, you keep this one for best for the office or wherever, and wear the rubber one for sports. Seems quite easy to swap those in and out. You can buy actually this titanium strap on its own. I think it's about 200 quid. Which, to be honest, the difference between this Pro Solar here and the Pro Solar titanium body with the rubber strap is less than £200. So I don't know why you'd do that. Maybe if you bought the rubber and then wanted to upgrade at a later point. But the fact that you get the rubber bracelet or straps actually with this one is pretty good. Nice touch actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up at a later date today. Maybe give it some charge, read the instructions, and I'll come back tell you what it's all about. So here you go. Set up. All you have to do is press the light button, powers it on, and it goes through this sort of setting thing that it is. I don't know whether it's touchscreen actually. I don't think it is now. So we are English, unfortunately. Does that work? Downloading Garmin Connect to, oh yeah, I actually have already got this on go to app to add device. So right, let's do that. I'm actually filming this on my phone at the moment, which is a bit of a mistake. So what I'll do is I'll go to my Garmin, my mobile phone. I'll stop this video and add it to the mobile device. Bear with me. Right, so yeah, I've been a Garmin customer for quite a while, and I sort of knew that pairing wouldn't be straightforward. However, let me walk you through what happened. As you remember, or as you've just seen, it said open the app. So I went into the app. I went into add devices, and it basically said it found the watch. So I thought, great. Clicked on add device. It then went through a couple of loading pages where it loaded, and then it asked me to enter a code on the phone that was on the watch screen. So I did that also. It then sort of thought about that for a while, and then it told me that the pairing had been unsuccessful and asked me whether I wanted to retry. So I retried. I didn't have to put the code in again. It just went through, and it basically gave me the same result. It asked me whether I wanted to retry. What I actually did was I came straight out of the app, went back in. It recognised the watch in the same way. It gave me a new code to put in, which I put in, and it gave me the same result. It asked me whether I wanted to retry because it hadn't been successful. At this point, I came out of the app. I turned my phone off. I turned my phone back on. When I went into the app, it had actually changed my default device to this watch, and it was starting to sync and download. So it looks like it's paired. Yeah, very strange. Like I said, I'm not massively surprised because there's always glitches with these things. So I'll keep you updated on this. But at the moment, it seems to be, this is just the standard watch face. It seems to be working fine. I've had a few notifications through. I've actually stopped reading the final, stopped recording the final part of this because I keep on getting messages pop up on the screen. But yeah, it looks good. I've also changed the size of the watch strap pretty simply by there's some directional arrows in there. I don't know whether you can see those there. I actually pushed these rivets through as you would with a normal watch through, and basically I've taken 2 links out of each size. So there was quite a few links, 2 full links out of each size, and now the result is, put this on the right way again, result is fits not snugly, but as tightly as I want it to. Focus, come on, there you go. So all over, quite pleased with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a little play. I'm going to see what I can do. So there's a few notifications there. Walking through the it's actually sunk all my data as well from my other devices, which is interesting. Gives me the weather, solar intensity. I did notice actually that it says battery 7 days. Gives me some locations and all the rest of it. Presumably you press the red, there you go, press red to select activity. There's quite a few different ones there. Presumably I can cycle through those. Actually, lots of different specific as well. Lots and lots and lots of sports there. Wow. So yeah, it looks like I've got a bit of playing to do. I presume you can add, look what this music will do. Nothing, because I haven't got any in there. Edit. Presumably you can edit the screens there. Notifications. No data. Last 24 hours, so maybe that's just got to update. Back out of that. Health stats. There's my heart rate. Seems quite low actually. It was quite a stressful experience trying to pair this device. Cool. So anyway, I'll get into the details. Maybe I'll come back and give you a bit more of an update of how I'm getting on with it, what I've been doing. But I hope that's been useful. Give us where's my thumbs up there? Give me a thumbs up or a like if you like that, and see you again soon.